a spoon in the garbage disposal. Get it out.
Yes, Peaches.
I want to go to Cypress Point, Florida this summer. You hear me?
Yes, my little cherry blossom.
They got a fountain of youth I want to check out.
Ralph, get over here and give me a hand.
Sure, Dad. I'll give you a hand.
No! You have it!
Lay a hand on that poor little boy again, and I'll smother you in your sleep.
That poor little boy tried to grind my hand off in the garbage disposal!
Don't you know a cry for love when you hear one?
Love!